Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha reports, we would prevent our maidens from going out. A woman came and stayed at Qasr Bani Khalf and said, her sister was married to one of the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam who participated in 12 ghazwat in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and her sister in 7. She said, we would bandage the wounded and look after the diseased. My sister, asking Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, is there any harm if any one of us goes out when she does not have a wrap? He said, her companion should put the loose part of her wrap on her, so that she may take part in doing good and in the supplication of the Muslims. When Hazrat Atiyya radiyallahu anha came, I inquired or asked other to inquire of her, and whenever she would mention Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she would say, my father be sacrificed for him. I said, have you heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying such and such? She said, yes, my father be sacrificed for him. He said, the maidens, the veiled ones, or the veiled ones, and the maidens as well as the menstruating women should go out and participate in performing good deeds and in the supplication of the Muslims. But the menstruating women should keep themselves off the Eidgah. I said, the menstruating woman? She said, does not she visit Arafat and such places? Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1652.